The Beechcraft MQM-61 Cardinal was an American unmanned target drone developed during the Cold War to train military personnel in anti-aircraft gunnery and missile interception. Designed by Beech Aircraft Corporation, it became one of the most widely used piston-powered target drones in United States service. Development began in 1955 after the United States Navy requested a recoverable drone capable of supporting realistic gunnery and air-to-air combat training. Beechcraft answered with the Model 1001, initially designated KDB-1, later redesignated MQM-39A under the Tri-Service Aircraft naming system. A nearly identical version, the Model 1025, was adopted by the United States Army as the MQM-61A Cardinal. The Cardinal featured a high-wing monoplane layout with a distinctive V-tail and was powered by a 125-horsepower McCulloch TC6150J2 air-cooled, two-stroke flat-six engine driving a two-blade propeller. Measuring 4.60 meters, approximately 15.1 feet, in length with a 3.95 meters, approximately 13.0 feet, wingspan, it weighed approximately 301 kilograms, approximately 664 pounds. The drone reached speeds of up to 560 kilometers per hour, 350 miles per hour, climbed to 13,100 meters, 43,000 feet, and remained airborne for about 1 hour. Unlike conventional aircraft, the MQM-61 launched with rocket-assisted takeoff from ground ramps or ships and recovered by parachute. It could tow up to 4 aerial targets, carry missed-distance scoring equipment, and mount infrared sources for testing heat-seeking missiles. These capabilities allowed crews to evaluate weapon accuracy under realistic conditions without risking manned aircraft. Production began in 1959 at Beechcraft's Wichita, Kansas, facilities. More than 2,200 Cardinals were built before production ended in the early 1970s. Most served with the United States Army, while smaller numbers operated with the United States Navy and United States Marine Corps. A turbojet-powered proposal, the Model 1025 TJ, was developed but never entered production. The MQM-61 never served in combat. Its mission was to improve the effectiveness of air defense systems through continuous training and weapons testing. As faster jet-powered target drones entered service, the Cardinal was gradually retired. A small number survive today in museums, preserving an important chapter in the evolution of unmanned military aviation and demonstrating how early drones contributed to modern aerospace technology.